From complexity to simplicity, we have made maths easy. Welcome to Philemathics series. Subscribe now and let's make mathematics an exciting journey together.
The first question is a problem on fraction, and it says evaluate two whole number 1 over 4 plus 3 whole number 1 over 2. Everything over 4 whole number 1 over 2 minus 2 whole number 1 over 4. There's a little trick we can play here to make our solution faster. Since this is 1 over 4 and since this is 1 over 2, I can easily multiply this and this by 2. I didn't change anything. So this will be 2 over 4. Just so it will look the same with this. You get what I'm saying? The same thing here, I can multiply this by 2 over 2. Just watch what I'm saying. So this is equivalent to 1 over 4 plus 3 whole number 1 over 2 dot 2 over 2. I didn't change anything. So I'm just multiplying just this over 4 whole number 1 over 2 dot 2 over 2 minus 2 whole number 1 over 4. Just to make everything look the same so that I can easily add and subtract. So this is now 2 whole number 1 over 4 plus 3 whole number 2 over 4 over this is 4 whole number 2 over 4 minus 2 whole number 1 over 4. So for the numerator, I can add this whole number 2 plus 3 is 5 and 1 over 4 plus 2 over 4. You can easily do that. 1 over 4 plus 2 over 4 is simply 3 over 4. And the denominator, 4 minus 2 is 2. And this is 2 over 4 minus 1 over 4. So this is why I multiply by 2, just to make the simplification faster. So this is 3 over 4. This is 5 whole number 3 over 4 divided by 2 whole number 2 minus 1, 1 over 4. And so at this point, I can convert. And if I convert, I will get 5 times 4, 20 plus 3. This is 23 over 4 divided by 4 times 2, 8 plus 1, 9 over 4. If we change division to multiplication, we will get 23 over 4 times 4 over 9. This can go with this, and we're left with 23 over 9. And if we reduce this, 9 can go to the 3 2 times. Remainder 5 over 9. And that's the